everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we're going to learn how to automate daily inspirational quotes using an AI agent with Pabbly. So I am a coach and I regularly post inspirational quotes on my Facebook page so that I can spread positivity and can create more customers base. Now over here, generating these quotes every day and posting it on my Facebook page at a particular time is very time consuming and hectic. So to solve this, I have created an AI agent using Pabbly Connect. This AI agent is going to generate the quote and automatically post it on my Facebook page at a particular time every single day. So now, if you want to learn how to create this AI agent for yourself, for your business, then let me take you to my screen. In this video, we're going to learn how to automate daily inspirational quotes using AI agent with Pabbly. So as I am a coach, staying connected and consistently inspiring my audience is a big part of my work. I use an AI agent that generates fresh, unique and meaningful inspirational quotes every day. And then I use that same AI agent to post these quotes on my Facebook page at a fixed time. This helps me deliver daily motivation effortlessly while keeping my audience engaged without any manual efforts. And I'm going to create this amazing AI agent using Pabbly Connect. So firstly, we're going to browse the website of Pabbly Connect. For that, enter www.pabbly.com/connect. Okay, so I'm going to browse this website right over here. Then Pabbly Connect's landing page is going to appear in front of you. Now you have two options, sign in or sign up for free. I am an existing user, so I'm going to sign in to my Pabbly Connect account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. So as I'm an existing user, I'm going to sign in to my Pabbly Connect account. After signing in, you can see the all Pabbly apps written in front of you, in which you can see all the products that Pabbly provides, from which we are going to select Pabbly Connect by clicking on this Access Now button right over here. Then Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. And in order to start an automation process in Pabbly Connect, we need to create a workflow. For that, click on this top right corner button right here that says Create Workflow. A dialog box is going to appear in front of you, which is asking for the workflow name and for us to select a folder. So for the name of my workflow over here, I'm going to give it as AI agent to automate daily inspirational quotes. Okay, so this is the name that I want to give to my workflow. And for the folder on the left side of my screen, you can see I've created multiple folders in my Pabbly Connect account, from which I'm going to select a specific one in which I want to save this workflow in. For that, click on this drop down. These are the folders from which I'm going to select AI agents as the folder I want to save this workflow in. After giving the name to the workflow and selecting the folder, I'm going to click on this Create button in order to create a workflow. A workflow is created over here in the name of AI agent to automate daily inspirational quotes. And you can see that there are two windows in front of you. One says trigger, other says action. So what is trigger and action? Trigger and action are the two most important steps of our automation process because our process depends on these two principles. Over here, trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means what is action? Action is a response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger step but multiple action steps. We are going to set up our trigger step first. And for the trigger application, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select it as Schedule by Pabbly. As I want to post the inspirational quotes daily on my Facebook page, we need to schedule this workflow every day at a particular time. So as we're going to select our trigger as schedule, this entire workflow that we're going to create right now is going to run at the time that we are going to select every single day and is going to post the AI generated inspirational quote on my Facebook page every day at a particular time. That is why for my trigger, I'm going to select it as Schedule by Pabbly. And the trigger event over here is going to be Schedule Workflow. Now it is asking how often do you want to run your workflow? I want to run my workflow every single day. So from the drop down, I'm going to select the option every day. Now every day at what time do we want to run our workflow? For the time, I'm going to select it as 10:30. So every day at 10:30, a new AI generated quote, inspirational quote is going to be posted on my Facebook page. Okay. Over here, the time that I have selected is going to be the time of the account that I have selected. The time zone of my account is Asia, Kolkata. So this is the time according to my time zone, my country's time zone. Okay. So now after entering the time, I'm going to click on this save and send test request button. How often this workflow is going to run? Every day at 10:30 Asia Kolkata time zone. Okay. So now after scheduling this workflow for every day, now I want an AI agent to generate the inspirational quote. Okay. Now for that, for my AI agent, I am using OpenAI. If you want to select an AI agent, you can select it as Google Gemini or other AI platforms according to your requirement. I'm going to set up my action step, and for the action application, I'm going to select it as OpenAI right over here. And the action event over here is going to be ChatGPT. And then I'm going to click on this connect button. A window is going to appear in front of you, on which click on add new connection, or else you can select the existing connection that I've already created before. After that, over here it is asking for the token. Using this token, we are going to build the connection between OpenAI and Pabbly Connect. And now to generate a new token for ourselves from this help desk, go to this hyperlink given here below. As you're going to land towards the hyperlink, you're going to land towards the API keys page of your OpenAI account. And now we are going to generate a new key. For that, click on this create new secret key button on the top right corner. This dialog box is going to appear in front of you, which is asking for the name, project and the permissions. So we're going to fill in the required details. For the name over here, I'm going to write over here as dummy key right over here. This is the name that I'm going to give as a test key. For the project, I'm going to select a default project. And for the permissions, I'm going to select it as all. After filling in all the required details, I'm going to click on this create secret key button in order to generate a token. And the token is going to be generated. Copy it from here and paste that token in this field right over here. After entering the token, click on the save button to build the connection between OpenAI and Pabbly Connect. As of the setup between OpenAI and Pabbly Connect is successfully done, now what I'm going to do is, firstly it is asking for me to select the AI model, with the help of which model are we going to generate the inspirational quotes. For the model, I'm going to select as GPT-4o Mini. If you want to use any other AI model, you can select it from the drop down right here. Now after that, it is asking for the prompt. Prompt is the text with the help of which this AI agent is going to generate the content according to our requirements. In the prompt, you need to specify all the things that you require in the generated content as well as what you do not require in the generated content. Mention each and everything detailed in this prompt right here. So for the prompt over here, I'm going to write it as... So this is the prompt that I've written, that is generate a 100% unique, original, inspirational quote in a motivational tone. The quote should be 1-2 sentences, impactful and easy to understand. It should encourage self-growth, positivity and daily action. Avoid using famous quotes or copying existing content. End with a tone that uplifts the reader. Do not provide anything other than the quote. Do not include these signs in the generated quote. Okay, I've mentioned all the things that are required and do not require in the prompt. So as I've entered the prompt, selected the model, I'm going to click on this save and send test request button right here. As I'm going to do that, you can see over here we have received the response. In the response with the message content, if I'm going to scroll down, you can see over here this is the code generated. That is, every day is a new canvas painted with bold actions and vibrant thoughts, and watch your life become a masterpiece of growth and joy. You can see over here a quote has now been generated by my AI agent right here. So as the content, an inspirational quote is generated, I want to post this inspirational quote on my Facebook page that I've created. Now for doing that, we need to add an action step in this workflow. And for the action application, I'm going to select it as Facebook pages right here, as now we're going to upload this inspirational quote that is generated on our Facebook page. And for the action event, I'm going to select it as create page post right here. And then I'm going to click on this connect button. A window is going to appear in front of you, on which click on add new connection, or else you can select the existing connection that I've already created. After that, click on connect with Facebook pages button right here. Then this window is going to appear in front of you, which is asking for me to continue with this account. Yes, this is my Facebook account. So I'm going to click on this continue button right here. And as I've done that, you can see I have successfully authorized my Facebook pages to Pabbly Connect. After authorizing, it is asking for me to select the Facebook page on which we have to create the post. For the page, I have created a page over here in the name of Spark Success Coaching, and on this page, I want to post the inspirational quotes. So over here for the page, I'm going to search for my page right over here, that is Spark Success Coaching, okay? After selecting the page, it is asking for me to enter the message that we want to publish on our page. For the message, I want to enter the inspirational quote generated by my AI agent. Now for the data of this field, I am going to map the data, which is inserting data from the previous step. So I'm going to insert the data from the previous step of this workflow. And how it works is that as soon as I'm going to click on this field, these were the previous steps. And as I'm going to click on this OpenAI step, this is the same response that was captured in our previous step in which we have received the generated content. And as I want to post this inspirational quote generated by my AI agent on Facebook page, so I'm going to select this content generated from my previous response. As now I've selected the data from my previous response, the data is mapped. And as now I've mapped this data, the data has now become dynamic. That means now whenever a new response is going to be captured in the previous step, whenever a new content is going to be generated over here in this step, automatically that new data is going to be updated in place of this mapped data. That is why I've mapped this data right here. Now before this code, I want to enter a message. Over here, I'm going to enter the message as inspirational quote of the day. Okay, so this is a message that I've written manually. And over here, before this code, I want to enter this right over here. And at the end of it, I also want to enter the same sign. Okay. So as now I've done that, you can see this is the code that is going to be posted on my Facebook page. I do not want to enter any link URL, so I'm going to skip the part and simply I'm going to click on this save and send test request button right over here. And as I've done that, we have received a response, which is a positive response. So now I'm going to open my Facebook page and check whether a new inspirational quote has been posted on it or not. For that, I'm going to open my Facebook page. I'm going to refresh this page from here. As I refresh the page, if I'm going to scroll down, yes, you can see a new quote has been posted on my Facebook page. Inspirational quote of the day. Every day is a new canvas. You can see over here, this is the same content. This is the same inspirational quote that was generated by my AI agent is automatically been posted on my Facebook page as well. So as the quote has been posted on my Facebook page, this means that we have successfully created this AI agent using Pabbly Connect. So now to sum up till now what we have done, this AI agent that we have created is now going to automatically post every single day at a particular time an inspirational quote on my Facebook page. The trigger is schedule Pabbly schedule workflow. Using this, I've scheduled this workflow for every day at a particular time. I have taken it as 10:30. So this workflow is going to run every day at 10:30 as I've scheduled it. Okay. And as this workflow is going to run at 10:30, automatically an AI agent is going to generate a code. And as the code is going to be generated using this action step, OpenAI ChatGPT, automatically that code that is generated is going to be posted on my Facebook page using this action step, that is Facebook pages create page post. And in this manner, I have created this AI agent to automate daily inspirational quotes with Pabbly Connect. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just with these applications, you can create automation between multiple other applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any questions, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can check the queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment on if you have any questions or doubts, and please share this video.